Welcome to the Path English. I'm really happy you are here today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied English, watched videos, repeated sentences, and still felt like everything just disappeared the next day? You try. You listen. You repeat. But later the words feel far away. The sentences feel lost. You start thinking, why can't I remember? Is my brain slow? Am I doing something wrong? Relax. It's not your age. It's not your intelligence. And it's definitely not your talent. Most people forget because they use English the wrong way. Today, you will learn how to make English stay in your mind. You will not only listen, you will shadow, you will speak, and you will train your memory gently. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. First, let's understand that memory is a skill. Many people say, I have a bad memory. But memory is not something you have. Memory is something you train. Your brain is like a muscle. If you never use it, it stays weak. But when you use it every day, it becomes strong. Think about children. They forget many things, but they repeat. They play, they imagine, and slowly they remember everything. You can do the same with English. Say this with me. My memory is learning. Again, my memory is learning. Every time you shadow, your brain builds new paths. These small paths become strong roads. So don't worry about forgetting. Worry about not practicing. Next, remember that attention creates memory. You simply cannot remember what you don't notice. Memory begins with attention. If your mind is jumping everywhere, your memory cannot stay. Phones, messages, noise, scrolling. They all pull your brain in so many different directions. Before you practice, make a small ritual. Put your phone down. Sit comfortably. Take 2 slow breaths. Now say, I am here. Again, I am here. Now say, I am learning. Again, I am learning. Feel your body slow down. Feel your mind open up. Now your brain is ready to remember. Let's practice a line together. Repeat after me. I focus and English stays. Again, I focus and English stays. Focus first. Memory will always follow. Now, let's turn words into images. Your brain absolutely loves pictures. When I say the word dog, you don't see the letters D-O-G. You see a dog. When I say coffee, you can almost smell it. You can feel the cup in your hand. So let's do the same with English. Don't just memorize words, imagine them. Let's try. The word is street. Picture a street near your home. See the houses. See the cars. See yourself walking. Now repeat. I walk on the street. Again. I walk on the street. Good. Next word. Rain. Picture the sky opening up. Water touching your face. Your shoes getting wet. Repeat. It is raining today. Again. It is raining today. Now let's connect them. Repeat. I walk on the street in the rain. Again. I walk on the street in the rain. Pictures make English feel alive, and alive English stays much longer in your mind. And that brings us to our next point. Make stories, not lists. Lists are boring, stories are powerful. Your brain forgets lists almost instantly, but your brain remembers stories. So instead of a list like wake up, drink coffee, study English, turn it into a story. Picture this. You wake up. Your alarm clock smiles at you. You drink your coffee, and the coffee says, "Good morning." You open your notebook, and English jumps out and says, "Let's talk today." Now repeat with me. I wake up and study English. Again, I wake up and study English. Next, English talks to me. Again, English talks to me. When learning feels like a movie, your brain wants to keep watching. Stories are what turn practice into powerful memory. And how do we practice? We repeat in small moments. Your brain loves gentle repetition, not long hours, not stress, not pressure. Just small, calm repeats throughout your day. Here's a very simple rule to follow. Morning, listen. During the day, shadow. At night, review. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and 5 minutes. That's enough. Let's say this together. Small practice, strong memory. Again, small practice, strong memory. When you do this, your brain says, "Oh, this must be important. Let me save it." And slowly, English becomes a natural part of you. And perhaps most importantly, you must speak to remember. When you speak, your brain wakes up. Listening is good, repeating is better, but speaking is powerful. Your own voice tells your brain, "This matters. Let's try." Repeat. I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. Now try saying it in your own way. Pause the video and speak. Excellent. Now repeat. I remember when I speak. Again, I remember when I speak. When you create sentences, not just copy them, your memory grows much faster. Your voice is a tool. Use it. Finally, protect your mind. Your mind is like a room. If it is full of noise and clutter, there is no space for English. Too many videos, too much scrolling, too much distraction. So give yourself quiet time, 10 minutes, only English, only your breath, only your focus. Say this with me. My mind has space. Again, my mind has space. When your mind is calm, words stay longer. Sentences feel easier, and learning feels completely natural. Protect your brain. It is building your future. Today you did more than just study. You focused. You imagined. You spoke. You trained your memory. Each time you shadow, your English becomes clearer. Your confidence becomes stronger. Your memory becomes brighter. Come back to this practice. Listen again. Shadow again. And each time, you will build your English story. This is the Path English. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep trusting your mind. Thanks for watching.